It's Robbie from Superb Firearms Training, and I just want to announce our very first sponsorship. GhostDad Tactical Gun Lube. I put that on everything. Now in stores today. Go pick up a couple bottles. 1, 2, or even all 3. They got the Ecto Lube, they got the Gorilla Grip, and they got the Ghost Sauce. One of the best lubes out there. Pick it up at your nearest gun store, whether it be Relic Hunter, Extreme Gun Works, and they even ship to all 50 states. You gotta try it. Drew and I use it on all of our firearms, whether it's for training or for personal use. The Ecto Lube is for when you're putting a gun away long term, and the Ghost Sauce is when you are in a bind and your gun is messed up because you haven't lubed it. My personal favorite is the Gorilla Grip. The Gorilla Grip works, the Ecto Lube works, the Ghost Sauce works. Go check them out. Link in the description. Peace.
Yeah, Gun Lube. It's Gun Lube. We got 3 different flavors today. We got
GhostDad Gun Lube.
From GhostDad Gun Lube?
Yep.
Oh yeah. Word, you gotta subscribe. GhostDad Gun Lube. We got Gorilla Grip. We got Gorilla Grip. This is almost your everyday use. We got Ghost Sauce in between, in case your gun is like really messed up. And then we got Ecto Lube. This is to store your guns. Now, this doesn't mean to lube your weapon and not keep it dry. You want to follow all the normal rules. Keep your gun dry, keep your gun safe, all that. So what I'm gonna do right now is break down my VR80. I'm gonna take the essentials apart and just give her a good lubing. She needs to be wet. She's a little dry right now, so that's what I'm gonna do.
Heard that about her.
Set that aside because we don't need the lower. The lower's fine. We're just working on the upper. Now with the upper, it's going to take me a while because I have a compensator on here with the locking nut. You want to use a castle nut wrench. That off. I'm using an Allen key. I forgot what size. Forgive me for using different sizes. That's too big. That's what she said.
That's why we got the lube, though.
Yeah. Always make sure everything is consensual. Wow. I like to loosen my screws one at a time to keep it even, keep the pressure even.
It's all about the pressure.
And consistency. You want consistency. Now, if you're asking questions about this weapon system, it's called a VR80 12 gauge. They come standard threaded barrel. They do not come with this. This is another expensive part. This is a full-size compensator. It's about the same size as your cell phone. And when you take the guard off of the front, you want to remove everything. It won't come off. So I'll keep that there. Thankfully, this is a gray table. We can see what's going on. We now have another locking nut here. Loosen that up. Remove that. We don't need this anymore. Now here we have a lot of moving parts. We want to be careful that we don't lose anything. I'm not sure what all these pieces are called, so forgive me for not giving you an accurate description.
But a side note is this all this experience comes from with playing with your gun. Now,
Yes.
if you're not comfortable with it, still go to a gunsmith, still go to someone, but you should be familiarized with your firearms.
That is very correct. And hence the word playing with your gun. It doesn't mean walk around your house with a fully loaded weapon trying to be John Wick, you know? You want
Or John Whack, as the comment said.
John Whack. You know, if you know, you know. Just like you buy ammo, you want to go to a store and purchase snap caps. Google snap caps.
Yep.
You want to purchase the correct caliber of weapon, and then is when you want to play with your weapon. And then what we mean by playing with your weapon is you just want to become familiarized with the functionalities of your weapon. But you want to become familiar with your weapon with what's called snap caps. I'm repeating it again because my camera cut off. But
And as far as the snap caps, real quick, we will have a comment down in the description for those snap caps. Probably an Amazon link because that's the quickest way, cheapest way. And you can get it from anywhere from 9mm, 22, all the way up to 12 gauge, 50 gauge, 50 cal. Sorry, you can get all that right in the link in the description.
now for today, I took most of the weapon apart. I still have one piece here that I'm trying to use. It's the last piece there. We don't want to take the bolt carrier apart of a VR80. There's not a lot of friction going on in there. All the friction's going on up here with the gas is happening. So since we're just lubing, that's what she said. Since we're just lubing, we're gonna apply some of that. Let me grab a towel quick.
Yep. I just want to step in real quick with these gun lubes. GhostDad has really been creative with these lubes. We have the ghost sauce because I put that shit on everything. That's like classy. And then we have the Gorilla Grip. If y'all know from back in the day, the Gorilla Glue, Gorilla Grip, you know. If you know, you know. And then the Ecto Lab, kind of like an ode to the Ghostbusters. Like basically who you gonna call? It's gonna be GhostDad because we don't call Ghostbusters anymore.
Nope.
We handle shit ourselves. But that's it. And then Drew has his rag. Don't be scared to use your old t-shirts, old sweatshirts.
That's exactly what this is, man. An old t-shirt. Any old cotton, you want to think of it as recycled material. Just throw it in a bag, throw it in a bucket, somewhere because you're going to need it for cleaning your tools, your firearms, your cars, anything like that of the stuff. Or if it's sterile, you want to stop some bleeding for a first aid kit. It happens. All right, so we're going to get back to lubing. I don't have many cleaning material, so what I'm going to do is lube any contact points that come in contact with any other metal. Everything here is metal. So whatever it touches, you want to lube that up really, really good. Besides the thread area, you want to stay away from the thread area. Any type of threads, no lube at all. So we're going to do that with the... I'm just go across the shaft here.
Okay. And the cool thing about this lube is that it's also a scented lube. The cool thing about it is when the barrel heats up or any of the metal heats up, it smells fantastic. There's like feminine scents, there's male scents, but I mean, be it as you will, because it is 2025, but it's really nice. You can pick this up at Extreme Gunworks in Emmaus, PA.
Right.
You can pick it up at Relic Hunter in Copley, PA. And I do believe Army and Navy in Whitehall, PA.
Right.
So if you can't get it, the link for this product will be in the description. We're looking at under $20 for these lubes, and they last forever. The link will be in the description below as well. So we're happy with that. Thanks to GhostDad Gun.
Yeah, man. So I'm doing a little bit of unorthodox lube. Using strategy here. I just want to get the weapon wet, and then we're going to torture test it to see how the lube performs, essentially.
And which one did you use?
The Gorilla Grip.
The Gorilla Grip, okay.
Now I want to add another pointer. We might not get a full performance because I did not clean my weapon. I did not clean my weapon.
I just want to say one more shout out to Buy Wonderful Water. This shit is great. It's like if you guys can remember like a pina colada, or back when you were a kid, the ices that you get from the corner store, the bodega, depending where you're from. This is amazing. Drew just got me on this, and it's good. And it's refreshing, even though it's like warming up because it's hot outside. It's definitely refreshing. And so shout out to Buy. If y'all get to see this, we need some support. We need a shout out and a couple sponsorships. Let us know.
Everything I'm doing is completely unorthodox. Please do not practice what I'm doing. Did not bring anything with me. Hence, cleaning cloths, sanitizers for my hands. But on the bright side, my hands, they're gonna smell good. So now we're beginning to reassemble. This is strictly an educational video because we did the breakdown. So for the firing video, check us out on our next one. I just recently found that out. Right after I'm done assembling this, we have to make a different video.
Got you.
Strictly educational.
I'm completely lost with all this. If it's not a pistol, I'm lost. Or
Yeah,
AR.
man, this thing is like, it's a puzzle. It's a puzzle. Especially the VR80, man.
I get mad.
It's a puzzle, man.
And then I told Drew that I had a crap show with putting this baby together. Y'all see that in the next video. The Glock 26 with the gold Safiri precision slide. Yeah, we're not gonna go into that, but yeah, I had a absolute crybaby bitch fit till I figured it out for myself. But yeah, that's gonna be exciting. Next video.
Now Now, if you see me put my hands in front of the barrel, that's because the weapon is safe. There's no lower. There's no lower. The weapon cannot be put into action, basically. That still doesn't mean do what I'm doing.
There are times in life when being wrong-handed works. Every video we need a shot.
Yo, if you're wrong-handed, I'm sponsoring a support group right now for the emotional damaged. You know,
Emotional damage.
emotional damage. There's a lot of weapons out there I wish I had, man.
There is some big stuff going on down there. And I'm loving it.
Happy 4th, happy 4th. That is extremely straight. That's crazy. I didn't think that was gonna work.
Okay.
All right. It feels really good. It feels really good, honestly. No issues. All right. Till next video.
Remember to like, share, subscribe, comment. Even the bad comments get love too, so.
Yeah, man, we love them. We love them. Like to leave you guys a comment. Let's get to shooting.